China subscribers, today we're going to read a book called Fly Guy Presents Space by Ted Arnold. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz. One day, Buzz and Fly Guy were at the Space Museum. I want to fly into space when I grow up, said Buzz. Space? Yeah, said Buzz. We can learn all about space right here. The universe is so big that scientists do not know its exact size. Space means everything in the universe. The universe is made up of planets, stars, suns, moons, and much more. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This spaceship went all the way out past Neptune. Our house? Moons orbit or travel around planets. Earth has one moon. Earth and its moon, the surface of the moon. Jupiter has 50 or more. Many moons. Some of Jupiter's moons. There are at least 146 moons in our solar system. The sun is the biggest object in our solar system. It is 109 times wider than Earth. The sun's gravity pulls the planets like a giant magnet. The sun is the center of our solar system. All objects orbit around the sun because it has gravity. Gravity attracts objects to one another. The sun is a star. Stars are huge balls of burning gas. Stars only look small because they are far away. The sun is the closest star to Earth. It's 93 million miles away. Stars are not star-shaped. They are really gigantic balls. There are many other objects in our solar system. Meteoroids are small rocks. Meteoroids. Meteoroids are small rocks. When they fall toward Earth, they are called meteors. Comets are large pieces of rock, dust, and ice that orbit the sun. Comets are called dirty snowballs. Asteroids are made up of rock and metal. An asteroid belt is made up of lots of asteroids. Astronauts are people who travel into space to find out more about it. Astronauts call zero-gravity flights comets. There are no gravity or oxygen in space. Astronauts go on zero-gravity flights to learn how it feels to move without gravity. These rides are like really very fast roller coasters. Astronauts wear special clothes to keep them safe. Spacesuits Space suits keep astronauts warm or cooled and let them breathe. You need your own helmet, Fly Guy. A spacecraft is a vehicle that travels in space. There are many different types of spacecraft. A space capsule is carried into space by a rocket. Some return to Earth by splashing down in water. A space shuttle also blasts off using rockets when it returns to Earth. It lands on a runway like an airplane. Astronauts can live on space stations. A space station can be as long and wide as a football field. Astronauts have done amazing things. The first person in space. This was the first person in space. The first American to orbit Earth. The first astronaut to walk on the moon was Neil Armstrong. The first person in space was Yuri Gagarin. The first American to orbit Earth was John Glenn. The first teachers to be the part of the Teacher in Space program was Barbara Morgan and Krista Merkla. The first woman to command a U.S. space shuttle was Ellen Collins. Animals were sent into space before humans. First in space, the first creatures in space were fruit flies. Back in 1947, Albert II became the first monkey in space. Back in 1949, a dog named Laika became the first animal to orbit Earth. Back at 1957. Scientists can learn about space through telescopes. A telescope is a tool that uses lenses and mirrors to make faraway objects look near. The Hubble Space Telescope is as big as a school bus. Look, kids can use telescopes too. There is still a lot to be learned about space. Earth is only the planet scientists know of that has living things on it, but scientists think there could be other life in the universe. Take me to your leader. Mars rovers are robots that explore Mars. Scientists are studying if there was ever water on Mars. If there was water there, there might have been life. Aliens. When Buzz got home, he made his very own asteroid belt. Look, Fly Guy, it's out of rocks and metal. We learned a lot about space today. Buzz said, "I can't wait for our next field trip." The end. Thank you, Dinosaur subscribers, for a read aloud from Fly Guy Presents Space. Goodbye, Dinosaur subscribers. Hope you see our next video.